you guys, it's your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. And no, I did not do the intro this time because I feel like I'm kind of over the intro. I need to figure out another intro. If you think I should just stay with the intro, please comment down below. Yeah, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. If you haven't read the title, I am using the Kylie Jenner Pressed Powder Palette. This is adorable. Nice fall colors, as you can see. But yes, I will be announcing the winner. So if you want to see how I did this look, then let's get into this video. So this is the second time of me doing this look again because my eyes was tearing and my lashes didn't want to stay on. If you see clips from a different video, don't be alarmed. That's the reason why. I'm going to go into this orange color right here, which is Citron, and put that all into the crease. And I'm like, why are they giving out Kylie Jenner's palette for free? Like, is it not selling or what? But this is a nice orangey color. I'm gonna go into this brown shade right here, which is Hematite. I be feeling like stuff gets lost in translation and you have to keep going back. Like, they're not communicating with each other. Like, why y'all not communicating with each other? Y'all supposed to blend. Like, get it together. I'm gonna go in with a clean brush and blend it. Now I'm gonna cut the crease with a Q-tip and makeup remover. So then I'm gonna use my P. Louise base again, and you know, I really wanted this to be darker. I'm gonna go into this beautiful color right here, which is Jasper, and put that in the inner corner. Every time there's a shade like this in the palette, I always want to do a similar look to this, because this look, it just be flawless. So I clean the brush off and I'm going back into the Citron, drag that out to the end. I'm gonna go back into Bronzite and then Obsidian just to darken it up a little bit, you know. Then Obsidian, not too much. Yeah, that just took over, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna clean this brush and make sure these two blend better. Then I'm gonna go into my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. You know, this is one of my favorite liners to use. And I'm gonna just, you know, wing this line and use the flick of the wrist. That's it. That's it. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this look. Let me show you guys. This eyeshadow reminds me of the hair that I just colored, and it's this nice bob right here. If you want to see how I colored this hair, I will leave the link down below to that video. Shout out to my homegirl for giving me the wig stand for Christmas, because I needed one, because I really want to color more wigs. So now I'm going to be announcing the winner. So let's get into this. Get the YouTube comments and start. Okay, go here, filter duplicate users. All right, so there's 23 commenters. That is not doubled, that's what they're saying. And I appreciate you guys for commenting and tuning in and participating. I really do appreciate it. I will be doing more giveaways. There's more Morphe palettes giveaways that I am doing, so stay tuned for that. So let's start raffle and pick random winner. KYLIE'S. Love how colorful this look is. Super pretty. I'm loving this Lisa Frank palette. And her Instagram is here. You are the winner, KYLIE'S. Congratulations. I should be doing better giveaways and not just giving out palettes. What you guys think? Let me know. But anyway, yeah, let's get back into this video. So y'all will leave all the links down below, what products I use besides the palette, all down below. And if you have any comments or questions, please comment that down below. Any other things you would like for me to do or try, Also comment that below, and yeah, till next time, peace.
I would like to get